If you want to make an important event stand out in Google Calendar, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight events in Google Calendar so they're easier to notice at a glance, whether you're organizing meetings, deadlines, birthdays, or personal reminders. This is a simple trick, but it can make your calendar a lot more visual and a lot easier to manage. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer, or if you're on the go, open the Google Calendar mobile app on your phone. Once you're inside, look for the event you want to highlight. This could be anything that needs extra attention, like an important work meeting, a project deadline, or an appointment you do not want to miss. Now click or tap directly on that event to open its details. On desktop, you'll usually see an edit option or a pencil icon, and on mobile, you may need to tap the event and then choose the edit option from the menu. Once the event editor opens, look for the colored circle next to your calendar's name. Depending on your layout, this may appear near the top section or closer to the bottom of the event details. This color option is what controls how the event appears in your calendar view. Click or tap that colored circle and then choose a bright or contrasting color that makes the event pop. For example, you might use red for urgent items, yellow for reminders, or blue for regular planning tasks. Picking a strong color helps the event stand out instantly when you're scanning your calendar. After you select the color, double check that everything looks correct, then click Save. On mobile, just make sure you confirm the changes before exiting. Once saved, your event will now display in the new color, making it much easier to spot at a glance. And that's it. You've now highlighted an event in Google Calendar in just a few easy steps. This is a great way to organize your schedule visually and keep your most important plans front and center. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Calendar guides, productivity tips, and easy walkthroughs.